Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gordon Ramsay's hot chocolate. To achieve a truly exceptional hot chocolate, start by selecting the finest ingredients. Quality is paramount, so choose whole milk and a premium chocolate, such as milk chocolate or a dark chocolate with 70% cocoa solids. A surprising ingredient like 1 tablespoon of olive oil or Horlicks powder can elevate the richness and depth of flavor. Next, we'll create the flavorful base. Pour 150 milliliters of whole milk into a small saucepan and gently warm it over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of Horlicks powder, stirring continuously. Once the liquid is warm, introduce 70 grams of milk chocolate, stirring until it completely melts and blends smoothly into the mixture. This careful process ensures a wonderfully rich and integrated flavor. To achieve that signature Gordon Ramsay smoothness, continue to whisk the hot chocolate mixture for approximately 2 minutes. This gentle, consistent whisking is crucial for blending all the ingredients perfectly and creating a wonderfully rich, velvety texture. It ensures there are no lumps and that the chocolate is fully emulsified with the milk, resulting in a truly indulgent drink. Finally, it's time to enjoy your exquisite hot chocolate. Carefully pour the steaming beverage into your favorite pre-warmed mugs. For an extra touch of luxury, top it with a generous dollop of whipped cream. You might also consider adding some delicate chocolate shavings or a light dusting of cocoa powder. Serve this decadent treat immediately to fully appreciate its warmth and wonderfully rich flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.